This is where people connect with nature. This is where memories are woven into the fabric of life. Here, some find serenity. Some uncover wonders. And some call this place home, dedicating their hearts to make it a sanctuary for all. In November 2017, when Typhoon 𝗥𝗲𝗵𝗯𝗶𝗹𝗶 struck Southeast Asia, this haven faced its greatest challenge.
Apabila kita dapat masuk ke kawasan runtuhan, kita dapati keadaan runtuhan itu sama seperti kawasan perang.
Yet, in the face of devastation, the community united, rising together to reclaim their beloved hill.
The area near the 𝗥𝗲𝗵𝗯𝗶𝗹𝗶 station was badly affected.
PHC gave me about 30 workers to help me doing the clearing and all that.
I think without the community coming together, we won't achieve this.
Day by day, the team is very big. 40 become 60 to 70.
We managed to reopen the hill after 51 days of very, very intense effort.
Every day, people journey from near and far to Penang Hill, eager to ride the century-old funicular and immerse themselves in its natural beauty. But beneath the surface lies a history of struggle against the relentless forces of climate change. The 2017 landslides not only reshaped the landscape, but exposed its vulnerabilities. Yet, from this turmoil arose a powerful movement.
Since 2018, we have been working very diligently, very rigorously and implemented over 37 projects that probably cost 45 million ringgit, basically to restore back, to rehabilitate and rebuild Penang Hill. And I call them rejuvenate or revitalizing the Penang Hill.
I would say our focus were mainly on slope stabilization projects.
Kita tidak mahu mensalut Bukit Bendera ni lebih kepada simen. So kita cuba mencari inisiatif yang hijau. Kaedah-kaedah yang kita gunakan, kita guna rock bolt, soil nailing, gaya netting, ada juga netting. Kita membagi pengudaraan kepada bukit. Yang mana pada masa yang singkat, tumbuh-tumbuhan semula jadi akan tumbuh semula menerusi jaring tersebut dan akan membesar dengan sendirinya. So daripada situ, kita cuba menghijaukan semula Bukit Penang Hill.
The recorded 319 slides in 2017 have all been repaired based on geotechnical analysis.
Most slopes on Penang Hill are stable, but there are areas that require strengthening or repairs. The main trigger of slope failure is water, particularly during heavy rains. That's why proper drainage system and regular maintenance are crucial.
As the recovery work went on, the importance of addressing drainage issues became clear.
Kita telah mengambil inisiatif untuk mengkaji semua keseluruhan aliran air di kawasan Bukit Bendera. Daripada situ, kita telah jalankan satu projek menaik taraf longkang dan membina longkang baru di sepanjang kawasan Bukit Bendera.
A Hill resident who witnessed the 1.5 kilometre landslide in 2017 applauded the drainage upgrade plan.
You know, the original drainage in this hill was pre-war, was the period when the houses were built, mostly around 1925 onwards. So PHC now, they improved the existing one and they erected new ones to ensure that future flow of water will take the direction of this new drainage system that they have.
The maintenance of the hill is an ongoing commitment.
So we have slope monitoring programs. Whenever there is a very even small movement of soil movement, so we will immediately apply ECM, actually erosion control mat or tarpaulin sheets to cover to prevent any further erosions in the case of rain and things like that, so to worsen. Our hill maintenance teams are on a standby nearly 24 hours a day. Whenever there is trees that is fallen, our team will quickly act upon it and remove them before any untoward incidents might happen.
The revitalising work has breathed new life into Penang Hill, but the team remains vigilant, taking proactive measures.
Another things that we do is apply technology too. So we have weather stations that put in place on the hilltop, Penang Hill stations area, and also at the lower station. So constantly monitoring the rainfalls. More important, the wind speed. If any wind that is exceed 35 kilometers an hour, chances are they may have fallen tree branches. By collecting data over time too, that will also help us to understand the weather patterns, the change of the climate. It's very specifically on the hill.
The funicular operation team, instrumental in repairing the funicular track, has implemented stringent inspection protocols.
Even everything back to normal, we are extra careful, especially during the bad weather. We minimize the funicular speed. It is a team effort. We remind our track maintenance team and coach driver to be extra vigilant during their daily inspection and operations.
So it's important that always prepare ourselves for the global climate changes. We don't have control, but clearly we can do more things, preparations to anticipate, to face the challenges and the changes that may come our way in the future.
As a designated UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, all proposed developments on Penang Hill must go through evaluation by Penang Hill Design Review Panel.
Property owners and business operators play a critical role in the sustainability of Penang Hill. By working together, we can balance the hill's growing popularity with its ecological preservation.
I think I'm happy to go through that procedure because at the end of the day, it protects you also, and it also ensures that the hill stays within the scope of the biosphere.
The Penang Hill Corporation has taken significant steps to accommodate the growing number of visitors.
We always ensure that the facilities and infrastructure on Penang Hill are in excellent condition, providing a safe, accessible and enjoyable experience for all visitors. To achieve this, we embarked on station upgrading projects. The stations are designed to be more inclusive, offering improved accessibility for seniors, individuals with disabilities and families, so that everyone can enjoy Penang Hill.
Makin cantik lah saya tengok, banyak benda-benda baru yang saya nampak.
然后我感觉这边的空气都很好。
It's very beautiful, really picturesque, and it's nice to come out here and just look out at the views.
The hill community are happy to see the vibrant resurgence of Penang Hill.
Saya bertemu berbagai pelancong. Feedback from them. They want to stay here. It's something blessed to me. I'm staying here.
The revitalization of Penang Hill has more to offer. A sustainable cable car system starting from the Botanic Gardens is underway, complementing the heritage funicular that has served for over a century.
Key importance of this project is it's not just to bring more people to the Penang Hill, but rather to enable more people to appreciate Penang Hill a lot more. So that also can become our emergency transportation systems. So in the event of there's any issues that's happened on our funicular systems, cable car provides the additional access from a different part of Penang Island.
Visitors can also expect the upgrading of Astaka, the existing food court to Penang Hill complex.
This initiative addresses numerous long-standing issues with the existing building, including limited seating capacity, operational challenges and structural deterioration.
The new layout incorporates feedback from business operators, ensuring that facilities evolve alongside community needs.
So when we get this feedback from them, so we can enhance the design of the project. I mean, they are happy to operate at that place. It's a win-win situation for both parties and the project will be implemented smoothly.
It is through the unwavering commitment of the Penang Hill Corporation and the hill community that this sanctuary remains a great hill for all.
Penang Hill is more than just a location. It's a living part of our heritage.
Inilah satu-satu tempat yang Pulau Pinang yang dapat satu orang kata gold mine.
There's been very good coexistence between visitors to the hill and property owners.
Sebab kita tahu Bukit Bendera ni macam is my second home. This is our life. This is our nature we need to keep. Itu yang buat kita semangat. We are like a guardian of the hill.
When we see what's the transformation happen, it's actually I'm happy, actually very happy, because I see I'm a part of it.
All of us must preserve the hill, keeper of the hills, for our future generations, so that the children of the children and many generations to come, they are able to enjoy the hill as is.
They are the guardians of Penang Hill, committed to its revival and sustainability.